Pepe's market cap dived below $1 billion as investors take profit. Blockchain analytical firm Santiment reported that Pepe traders were converting their profits into Ethereum. Pepe's market cap fell below $1 billion during the early trading hours of today after the meme coin declined by almost 100% from its all-time high. During the last 24 hours, Pepe decreased by more than 15% to trade at $0.0000002187 as of press time. Pepe market cap shed over $300 million as investors take profit. Pepe's market cap shed over $300 million, dropping to as low as $840 million from $1.21 billion during the reporting period. During its peak bull run, the meme coin printed several millionaires who might now be taking a profit. Blockchain analytical firm Santiment reported that Pepe traders were converting their profits into Ethereum. According to the firm, this was why active deposits on the network hit an 18-month high of over 20,000 on May 5. Whales dump Pepe. On May 5, blockchain sleuth LukinChain reported that a whale that bought 4.23 trillion Pepe tokens with 422 ETH and 200,000 USDC sent it to Binance. At the time, the whale's profit was estimated to be around $14.5 million. Earlier today, another whale, Master Ventures, sold all of its holdings for $770,000 to net a profit of around $470,000. The whale also sold other meme coins it held, like Wojak and Sponge, for a profit of $44,000. Meanwhile, for whales who bought 8.7 trillion Pepe immediately after Binance listed it are still holding. According to LukinChain, the whale's gains have soared more than 100,000 times.